Hey guys, this is Thomas at MarineMax in Greenville, South Carolina. Today I'm showing you a 2022 Yamaha SX190. This is a fantastic boat. Yamaha boats come with the trailer. Of course, this one is the black with blue trim, offered in two different colors. On the back you'll see a nice swim platform, low to the water level, perfect for entertaining. Walking aboard in the cockpit, you'll see side-by-side captain's chairs with a nice L-shaped bench back here for lounging. Walking forwards, looking at the helm, you'll see your stereo, connect screen, cell phone holder, direct current plug, all your switches and throttle. Nice walk-through windshield, plenty of forward seating. There's a filler seat that is offered with this boat as well. Guys, for more information, please visit MarineMax.com or stop by your local MarineMax dealer. Thank you. Have a great day.